Look at your bank account. Now look at your alarm clock for tomorrow morning. Same balance, same time, different day. You wake up, you commute, you grind for 8, 10, 12 hours, and at the end of the month, your rent eats half of it. Groceries eats another chunk. You save what, 5%? 10% if you're disciplined? And the system pats you on the head. Good worker. Can't you see? The system is making a fool out of you. And it's been doing it for generations. Your time has a price tag. For most people, that's $15, $25, maybe $40 an hour. That's your wage. Economists call this a capped return. Fancy words for no matter how hard you work, your hourly rate hits a ceiling. You can take extra shifts, get a promotion, work 2 jobs, but you are still trading hours for dollars, and there are only 24 hours in a day. That's the first trick of the system. It makes you believe your effort equals your wealth. But effort is finite. Your boss's wealth is not. Now look at the other column. This one is called capital. Capital means ownership, a piece of something that grows without you lifting a finger. Stocks, real estate, a business you own, intellectual property. These things have uncapped returns. You buy a share of a company at $10, it goes to $100. You didn't work extra hours for that $90. You owned it. That feels almost like cheating, right? That's because the system never taught you this. It taught you to be a good worker, not a good owner. Just save money, they said. Cut the coffee, skip the Netflix. You'll get there. Let's do the math. Save $200 a month for 30 years. That's $72,000. Sounds nice, but inflation cuts that in half. Now you're 60 years old, you skipped every vacation, and you're still not free. You cannot save your way to financial freedom. You can only own your way to it. Every dollar you save is a dollar that could have bought you an asset that pays you while you sleep. Why doesn't school teach you this? Why doesn't your job tell you to buy equity? Because the system needs workers. It needs people who believe that hard work equals rich. Owners stay owners, and workers stay working. Can't you see the pattern? They raise your wage by 3% a year. Inflation takes 3%. You're on a treadmill going nowhere. But the moment you buy a rental property, the moment you start a side business, the moment you own a piece of a company, that's when you leave the game they designed for you and start playing the game they designed for themselves. You don't need millions to start. You need one share, one small asset, one mindset shift. The system was made to keep you poor, but now you see the cheat code. Subscribe if you're ready to stop being the product and start being the owner. See you on the other side. Wages keep you alive. Equity makes you free.